How to activate AT&T prepaid phone from Walmart. So to be able to activate it, first you need to bring your own device or purchase a compatible cell phone. Remember, there's no such thing as a prepaid cell phone or postpaid cell phone. You can use any phone that's compatible with your wireless carrier's network for either type of service. And then you'll need a prepaid SIM card. SIM cards are those tiny removable chips you can swap in and out of smartphones to get service. They're used to identify the owner and communicate with a wireless carrier's mobile network. Many newer devices have a digital SIM card, also known as eSIM. When you purchase an AT&T prepaid online, you'll get a free physical SIM card. Turn on your cell phone. Power up your phone and follow the instructions to activate your device, and then make a task call or send a text. Once you've completed the activation process, go ahead and test your device. Make sure everything is properly functioning, and that is how you can easily activate AT&T prepaid phone from Walmart.